How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I am here to demonstrate how to troubleshoot issues with the Microsoft Authenticator app. Firstly, it is crucial to ensure that you're using the most up-to-date version of the application. Access the App Store or Play Store on your device and then proceed to tap on the search icon located at the top right corner. Next, search for the app, and if you notice an update button beside the app name, simply tap on it to ensure that you are indeed using the latest version of the app. However, if you continue to experience this problem, you will need to clear the app cache, navigate to your device settings, and then scroll down to Apps. From this point, locate the app and tap on it. Once you're on the screen, proceed to tap on Storage and clear the cache. It will take some time for the processing. This should resolve the issue, but if it persists, you will need to completely reinstall the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to navigate to the app page. Once you reach there, tap on Delete App to uninstall the app from your device. Once uninstalled, open the App Store or Play Store and search for the app, and then click on the Install button to reinstall it on your device. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. This is how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.